It's Wednesday, 12th March, and the markets ended the day on a subdued note. While auto, banking, and pharma stocks provided some support, IT, realty, and media stocks saw notable declines. Let's take a look at today's key market highlights. The Nifty ended down by 27 points at 22,470, while the Sensex slipped 72 points to close at 74,029. Market breadth remained weak, with 2,383 stocks declining against 1,440 advancing. Auto, banking, and pharma stocks saw modest gains of 0.5%, while IT, realty, and media dragged the indices lower, with losses ranging from 1.5% to 3%. IndusInd Bank, Tata Motors, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Bajaj Finance, and ITC led the gains on the Nifty, providing some support to the index. On the downside, IT stocks weighed on sentiment, with Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, TCS, and Nestle among the top losers of the day. The rupee ended nearly unchanged at 87.21 against the US dollar, supported by interbank dollar sales despite weakness in Asian currencies. Earlier, it briefly weakened amid global risk-off sentiment fueled by shifting US tariff policies. Traders now focus on upcoming inflation data. Infosys tumbled 5.5% on Wednesday, extending losses to over 8% in 2 days, pushing the stock into bear market territory. The decline erased 6,875 crore rupees from Narayana Murthy's family wealth, as their stakes value fell from 33,163 crore rupees in December to 26,287 crore rupees. WazirX has joined forces with BitGo Trust Company to bolster fund security and regain user confidence. This partnership follows a major setback in July 2024 when WazirX's parent firm, Zetai Pte., faced a $230 million theft. The move signals a commitment to enhance digital asset protection and rebuilding trust among affected users. The broader markets underperformed the benchmarks today. The Nifty Midcap 100 declined 0.57%, while the Smallcap 100 dipped 0.21%. This weakness reflects cautious sentiment among investors, as profit booking and sectoral volatility weighed on mid and small cap stocks. Spot gold edged down 0.1% to $2,913 as investors awaited U.S. inflation data for insights into the Fed's rate path. Uncertainty over Trump's tariff policies kept markets volatile, supporting safe haven demand. Traders are pricing in a potential rate cut by June. Tata Motors surged 3.5% as management reaffirmed confidence in JLR's financial trajectory. The company assured investors that Jaguar Land Rover is on course to achieve its FY25 EBIT margin target of 8.5%. However, leadership cautioned that the discontinuation of select Jaguar models may weigh on FY26 volumes. Ola Electric has completed its network transformation and cost-cutting program, reducing monthly expenses by 90 crore rupees. The company has streamlined operations by cutting regional warehouse, lowering vehicle inventory from 35 to 20 days, and reducing delivery time from 12 days to 3 to 4 days. Daily vehicle registrations have crossed 800, and the company expects its automotive segment to reach EBITDA breakeven in Q1 FY26. CG Power secured U.S. regulatory approval for its $36 million acquisition of Renesas Electronics RF components business. The deal marks a strategic expansion, strengthening CG Power's position in the semiconductor space. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.